3M is a diverse manufacturing company. We're in 65 countries. We make 55,000 products. We try to enhance every life, improve every home. And you probably know us for our consumer brands, but we're actually in every industry vertical you can think of. We own the business process for behavioral and attitudinal measurement systems that are used at the enterprise level. And we support our internal clients by enabling and supporting the deployment of those measurement systems, as well as integrating the output of those measurement systems into corporate level reports. We chose Tealium primarily because the major influencer was voice of market. We were influenced by professional trade journals, peer companies, those companies in our network that we interact with, and the influence there is, kind of proof of ownership, proof of use. Where did they see demonstrated business value? We actually had a relatively narrow application of Tealium that quickly exploded because of the value of the tool. We initially engaged with Tealium to comply with cookie management requirements in the EU. And of course, when you do cookie compliance, you have to do tag management. And when you do tag management, you discover the power of the extensions. And when you discover the power of the extensions, you realize the opportunity of building the data layer. And when you build the data layer, you realize the opportunity of AudienceStream. So it's been an evolutionary engagement with Tealium, in which initially we were filling a business niche of just complying with cookie management primarily. It's important to have a data layer because we are so broad and diverse geographically and organizationally that the marketing functions that have digital data programs actually have a lot of names that are different for the same thing. And one of the things that we found we could do with the data layer is develop a syntax that's a common taxonomy of marketing events that's the same across our entire company. And we've also been able to leverage that taxonomy across all of our vendors. And we're actually going through an analytics replatforming right now. And that data layer has been a godsend. It's going to make the switch out much, much easier. We've worked hard on separating from the platform vendor-specific code and moving everything that is a digital marketing event into the data layer so that it's aggregated at that point, and it's also using a common language that isn't specific to any vendor, but can be also used with any vendor.